the humidifier, and this is the humidifier chamber. And from here you will see this is called there are two wires are there. One is this is the heater wire, and this heater wire, this is with that heater wire adapter, and it has, and another is the temperature wire. This temperature wire has two parts. One part has is going here, it is attaching with the humidifier itself, and another part we are attaching with the inspirator limb. So from the humidifier, the temperature we are supposed to keep 36.5 to 37. So this is increasing, and port here, it is an automatic system. But there we have to on and off system is there. And another is that here is the pressure. Here is the pressure manometer. Here is there, and there is the pressure valve, and this is the oxygen manometer. Here we can see the pressure, and this is the oxygen. This is showing 39.7. This is the end area. This is the end area of the inspirator limb. And after that, here there is no heater wire, so temperature will be reduced further, and then again it will come to body temperature at the baby's age. Previously we have shown you the reusable humidifier chamber. Now it is a disposable humidifier chamber. Disposable humidifier chamber, the baby is in high flow. In the high flow only the inspirator limb is there, no inspirator limb. And here the same thing is that this is the humidifier temperature is 36.4, and here the temperature at the end of the inspirator circuit is around 40, and after that it will temperature will reduce, and because there is no heating airway and it will go, the temperature of the body temperature will come. Here same thing like reusable circuit, water is attached with the humidifier chamber, but there we have to pour the temperature, so pour water whenever the humidifier is empty. Here automatically humidifier chamber will be filled up. And here this is the oxygen, and here we fill the manifold. Here we can, here this with the pressure is measured in this area, and in this area with oxygen pressure, oxygen is reusable circuit. Here is the heater wire adapter and the temperature probe. And heater wire adapter, it has another one part is attached to the humidifier itself, and another we are attaching to that humidifier chamber. And temperature probe, if one part is attached with the humidifier chamber itself, and another temperature probe part, and that we are attaching to the inspirator limb at the distal part.